Hello Water Renters, welcome to Ashmore Lettings and Sales Property Video Tours. Have I got a brilliant property to show you today. This property is located just on the outskirts of Walsall, in between Sutton Coldfield and Lichfield. It's secluded, it's private, and it's just views to die. If you follow me, I'm going to take you up and show you the entrance to this property and how everything is on the video tour. Follow me, please. Okay, so entrance is via a private driveway. You can lock the gate or keep it open if you want. And you can see just across, probably better if you come up here, you can get a better view. You can see the fields. Straight across ahead of you is Aldridge Town Centre, and to your left would be Sutton Coldfield, and to your right as you go down this road called Church Road is where the main village of Stonall is. Okay, come this way. So your entrance will be through this driveway. All tarmacked. Tenants have just vacated, so things are slightly untidy. We'll get it all tidied up for you before the property is let. Just greenery everywhere, a little lawn area over here. You can see how the sun is falling on this location. It's just a place to come and sun worship if you want. And as you come up further, you're now approaching the main space for the house. It's a 4-bed bungalow. It was extended about 40 years ago or so, I believe. Don't quote me on it exactly, but it was originally a 2-bed and then they extended to make it into a 4-bed. Okay, so this would be your main kind of frontage. You come out, there's French doors coming out from the master bedroom, kitchen, the main entrance, and you got the main lounge. And when I go inside, I'll show you how these kind of tie into the whole property. There's no main sewers on Church Road in Stonall. So along this line, what you've got is, over there, to your left over there, if I should point towards that place, there is a bio tank for all your sewage and stuff. So basically it's environmentally friendly. It mulches everything down, and then the waste comes out, you know, fresh, not drinking water but fresh water and stuff. And that tank over there, just there as you see that tank over there is a LPG gas tank, so that's where your gas comes from for your central heating and stuff. If I take you to the side of the property, this is where the views are, opens up, and it just becomes, you can see where the sun is falling in this area over here, and this is where you could put probably a bench or something, patio set, afternoon tea, whatever you want to do. And you look across here, you see as you're heading and looking towards Aldridge Village, you see all of that views are to die for, which you can also see from the bedroom as well. And to the side over here when you're done, I'll show you from this side because the courtyard's a bit messy at the moment, but this is a place, if I can open this, where you've got an extra kind of utility space over here. Ooh, shuts. So there's plumbing here for washing machine, electrics. You can store lots of stuff here, good usable space, which then those double doors open up into the courtyard, which I'll show you from the inside the house. Okay, come out when you're ready. Yep. see the view again one more time. Look at, you can see it goes all yellow. I think they're all clover fields, or is it mustard? It's yellow, so I think it's could even be rapeseed, to be honest. But during the springtime when they start going all yellow, it's beautiful, it's picturesque, it's peaceful, secluded, private. Okay, so that's your outside of the property, and we'll go in. This is the main entrance. This is your reception area. Pleated blinds. Blinds are fitted throughout the whole property, so there's nothing that you need to do in terms of trying to furnish it. There's an alarm system here connected to ADT. Anybody who wants to use that, you get your own service with ADT and you can have it all connected up and secured that way. Okay, so right, the property is in two sections. This section is kind of your kitchen, bedrooms, living quarters, kind of that side, and this side is where your lounge, courtyard and stuff is. So if you follow me, I'll take you to the lounge first. A really good sized lounge. Some previous tenants have made this into a lounge cum diner as well, where you entertain as well as R&R, rest and relaxation. Right, so you've got these beautiful the French doors, rather, I was going to say double patio doors, but they're French doors, and they're on both sides. There's a little cupboard over here for your cloaks, hats, shoes, brollies. And I'll open this door up to have a quick look over here. So this is how, on a nice day like today, you can open up the doors and to the front aspect whilst you're relaxing inside. And then these doors open up over here. There's lots of leaves. The weather hasn't been great recently, so these will be cleared up for the next tenants to come in, but this is a really good usable courtyard space. Private, not overlooked. You can see it's all secluded, and probably lots of barbecue days, if that's what you'd like. There's electric points. Watch, it's a bit slippy, so be careful. Electric point over there. There's electric point on that corner as well over there. So you can, bring in your lights in the night or something, if you like. And that door over there takes you into that utility area that we showed you just before we came inside. Okay, go back in. Probably take some mess in. Leaves are coming back in with me. Okay, so we'll go over now to the kitchen and bedroom area. Before we do, there's a guest WC. Right, kitchen diner. So you've got straight away, you've got this kind of section over here where, again, you can put like a breakfast bar or something, and then you've got your kitchen area with integrated oven and hob, cooker hood. There's also an inset dishwasher here, and there's a space here for washing machine. You can put probably a dishwasher here, put the washing machine in that utility section over there. Your choice how you would like to plan the property. And then out here is a door to the front aspect again, to the side and front. Okay, I'll take you around to the bedrooms when you're ready. Another little store, cloakroom area over here. Okay. And this is what I'd say probably the master bedroom. It's got a fitted wardrobe with a lovely little dressing area, kind of like a hidden gem. Okay, door slide open this way as well, and you've got obviously the front aspect. Again, doors opening to. So what previous tenants have done is put a bed over here on this side, and the bed's kind of gone along this wall, and then you've got the doors that open up on that side, and you've got your side aspect with again the views out from the main window through here. Okay, if you come across, and we'll take you through, this is probably the smallest bedroom. So again, this one's to the side of the house. It's a good single room, good space. It could be an office, it could be a child with a single bed. There's loft access there. It is boarded up. Quite a large section of the loft is boarded up. The central heating boiler is upstairs. So any service or anything, you've got a ladder that will drop down from there, and you go upstairs and store your stuff or see to the boiler if there's an issue. Right, we'll do the bedrooms first. So this is now the second bedroom, and we'll come to the bathroom last. So 3 double bedrooms. This is one of the double bedrooms. Master's one we've seen, one single we've seen, and this is one of the double rooms. Lots of sockets. Again, great views from this bedroom as well. There's an aerial point over there with possibly if you wanted to get sky and TV or cable or anything. As I said, blinds are in all the rooms. Carpets and blinds and flooring, everything's kind of ready to move in. This is the last of the 4 bedrooms. This one also has an inset fitted wardrobe, and this one faces the courtyard at the back of the house. Okay, and lastly, the bathroom. If you come in, and then I'll go out to this side. The bath has an electric shower. Just functional, everything you'd expect in a bathroom. Wash hand WC, and this little airing cupboard in here has the boiler controls as well. So there we have it. That's the end of that. Okay, we'll end the video tour over here. So guys, we'll end the video tour over here. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this property and want to make inquiries, all the descriptions will be in, the links will be in the descriptions below. Do please check it out. If you are looking for property, then I suggest that you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to be notified. As soon as some properties go up, you'll be notified before it goes into the open market. So thank you very much, and please take your inquiries forward to us, and we'll be happy to show you around. Take care. Bye-bye.